Zhengzhou Lianxin High Temperature Advanced Materials Co., Limited, is a leading manufacturer and exporter of high-quality refractory materials. Until today, our company has grown to become a trusted supplier to various industries worldwide, including steel, cement, glass, and ceramics. With our commitment to innovation, quality, and customer satisfaction, we strive to meet the diverse needs of our clients across the globe. We specialize in a wide range of refractory materials designed to withstand extreme temperatures and harsh conditions. Our product portfolio includes refractory bricks, monolithic refractories, customized special products. At Zhengzhou Lianxin High Temperature Advanced Materials Co., Limited, quality is our top priority. We adhere to strict quality control measures throughout the manufacturing process, ensuring that our products meet international standards such as ISO 9001. Our team of experts conducts rigorous testing to guarantee the performance and reliability of our materials. We understand their needs and provide solutions in a timely manner, ensuring seamless delivery and support, and provide you with professional refractory material installation and after-sales service. We are committed to sustainability and environmentally friendly practices. Use materials that are not only high quality but also sustainable. Our manufacturing processes minimize waste, and we continuously seek innovative ways to reduce our carbon footprint. Our company has a strong distribution network, exports to over countries across regions such as Europe, Asia, Africa, North America. If you need any help, you can contact us at any time. Zhengzhou Lianxin High Temperature Advanced Materials Co., Limited will always be your reliable refractory partner. Thank you for watching.